I follow hundreds of companies ranging from technology stocks to healthcare stocks to industrial companies. And out of all of those companies I'm following, the best stock to buy right now, in my opinion, is Uber. And I'm going to share with you why I think that's the case in this video here. I've had Uber stock rated as the best stock to buy all year long in 2025. I first made this recommendation around December 31st, 2024, January 1st, 2025, and I've kept Uber rated as the best stock to buy all year, even though the stock is already up almost 40% in 2025. So it's worked really well so far, and I think there's more runway to go for this very interesting growth stocks. And I'm going to share with you the details. Let's begin. All right. So, one of the reasons why I'm recommending Uber as the best stock to buy is because of the company's excellent customer value proposition. And one way I view the customer value proposition is by looking at a company's revenue because it measures how much customers are willing to pay in aggregate for a company's services. Uber has grown its revenue from 3.8 billion in 2016 all the way up to 45.4 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period. That's a more than 10x increase and good for a compounded annual growth rate of 35%. What's more, the total addressable market opportunity is massive. The company can continue growing for decades without reaching a ceiling. The cost of car ownership has soared in this time period that Uber has increased its revenue share. All right. Another reason why I like Uber is because of the asset light business model. The return on investor capital, which is one way I measure the unit economics of a business. And of course, the unit economics of a business is one of the 6 things I look at when I'm evaluating a stock. I wrote a whole chapter on that in my book, The 6-Step Framework for Evaluating Publicly Traded Companies, Making Money, Buying and Selling Stocks. Uber has an excellent business model. 21% ROIC in the most recent period. That's up from negative 50% in 2019. A couple of ways Uber gets to generate great ROIC. Number one, none of the cars on the Uber platform are owned by Uber. Those are all brought to the company by drivers and various third party that rent to the drivers. So it's the drivers that are bringing the assets to Uber. Uber gets to utilize those assets and generate profits from those assets.
Click the link below to watch the full video.